To be honest, I've never been a fan or even recommend using a tablet for work, but I'm making an exception for this one. This is the HONOR MagicPad 3 and it has gotten better than before. It now has a massive 13.3-inch 3.2K resolution display with a 165Hz refresh rate, an upgraded smart keyboard with a trackpad, and still supports the HONOR Magic Pencil 3 active stylus. And all of these accessories come bundled with the tablet, which makes this a great productivity and entertainment tablet on the go. And all these things cost just under 3,000 ringgit, which sounds pretty insane because these are experiences that you can never get on a similar priced laptop. So here's my thoughts on why the HONOR MagicPad 3 could very well be your laptop replacement if you want a portable large screen tablet. The MagicPad 3 is a very premium tablet, and despite the large screen, the tablet measures 5.79mm thick and weighs 595 grams. And even if you add on the smart keyboard cover, it only adds on an extra 200 grams or so, which still makes it a lot lighter than a regular 13-inch laptop. What will make you really drool is the tablet's beautiful 13.3-inch IPS screen with a 3.2K resolution and 165Hz refresh rate. I know it's unfortunate that it is no longer an AMOLED screen like its predecessor, but this is still a very high quality display that has good dynamic range and contrast. You can also turn on AI Super Dynamic Display and AI Vivid Display to boost colors and contrast that makes it on par with an OLED display. Most importantly, this display has a 3:2 aspect ratio that's better for reading websites and emails. This tablet will also offer an excellent media experience with an IMAX enhanced 8-speaker system, which sounds really immersive when you're watching movies. Well, isn't that impressive? Now, aside from having a great screen and speaker, the most significant upgrade to the MagicPad 3 is this new smart keyboard cover that has a 5-row key and trackpad. It connects to the tablet over its pogo pin, which eliminates input latency and makes working on the tablet a lot easier than before. I love the tactile of the keyboard that's very similar to a laptop keyboard, but most importantly, it doesn't add a lot of weight to the tablet, which makes it very easy to transport around. There are dedicated hotkeys on the keyboard to capture a screenshot and do a screen recording, mute the microphone and disable the camera for privacy, launch the Notes app, and print a document. This is by far the most useful tablet keyboard I have ever used. In addition, the MagicPad 3 now supports DisplayPort output over its USB-C port so that you can mirror the tablet screen to a TV or projector, so that you can do your presentation or watch movies on an even bigger screen. Powering the HONOR MagicPad 3 is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and it comes with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage, which offers better CPU performance than the HONOR MagicPad 2 when it comes to running multiple apps at the same time, and better graphics performance in games. Like its predecessor, the HONOR MagicPad 3 comes with HONOR Docs that lets you work on Office documents with no monthly subscription fees. What sets the HONOR MagicPad 3 apart from a regular laptop is its AI-powered tools in HONOR Notes, which I frequently use it for recording meeting minutes and interviews with my clients. I use AI Notes to quickly summarize my notes and help me understand quickly on what has been discussed and proofread my content. Also, the voice-to-text feature is a really helpful feature that can transcribe voice notes, and it can differentiate speakers. Even if someone is speaking in a language I don't know, HONOR Notes can help me translate them into over 19 different languages. This is a lot more convenient than needing to hunt for an app to do similar things on a laptop. Multitasking has always been a pain on a tablet, and I'm glad that the HONOR MagicPad 3 resolves that with the floating window mode, which essentially lets me open multiple apps on the large screen, and I can easily scale window sizes as I want. And if I want to quickly snap multiple apps into place, the quick layout feature lets me set up my app combo, which I can quickly launch them in my preferred layout with just a tap. Connectivity is important on a tablet, which is why I love HONOR Connect, because it enables several things on the MagicPad 3 that many other tablets can't do. It supports cross-platform file transfers that allows me to transfer files from an iPhone. I can also use it as a wireless extended display for my HONOR MagicBook Pro 14 and use the rear camera as a document scanner. While I can easily share the input of an HONOR laptop with the MagicPad 3 and share files conveniently with favorite space. Compared to other Android tablets in the market, the HONOR MagicPad 3 has one of the best interconnectivity experience. Despite its sleek form, the HONOR MagicPad 3 packs a huge 12,450 mAh silicon carbon battery that offers up to 16 hours of video playback, 11 hours of online meeting, and 8 hours of continuous gaming. This is an insane battery life on such a large screen tablet, and when battery runs low, the tablet can be fully charged in 83 minutes with 66 watts HONOR supercharging, which makes it a great choice for work and college if you want a tablet that lasts way longer than most laptops and charges fast. The HONOR MagicPad 3 has been an excellent work and play companion for the past 2 weeks, and as long as I'm out of the office, it takes over my mobile work and I never miss having my laptop with me for most of the things I do. This tablet is now available for 2,999 ringgit, and I think it is a worthy consideration over a similar priced laptop if your productivity workflow is usually done on the web or doing emails and documents. So that's all for my review of the HONOR MagicPad 3. Let me know your thoughts about this tablet in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos coming right up, and I will see you in the next one.